Alright, so to make this slightly more complicated, you have a couple decimals here. The idea is the same. You need to isolate one of the variables. I'm going to go to choose the A. I'm going to get that one by itself, so I need to take care of this 1.2b. To do that, you need to take the opposite of it. And we've done this in previous examples. So we have A equals 1.2b minus 3. Essentially, I took the 1.2 and made it positive, switching it to the right side. Now I'm going to take this equation and replace it for that A right there. So 0.2b plus 0.6a. And notice I'm leaving a blank spot there because this is where A fits after the 0.6. So I'm going to take this equation here and plug it in right there. Changing the color here so we can see what I'm plugging in. 1.2b minus 3. So then I take this 0.6 and I'm distributing here. Okay, pass it to everything on the inside there. 0.6 times 1.2 becomes 0.72b. 0.6 times negative 3 minus 1.8. And this guy just stays. He did nothing changed, so I keep it there. Now we've got combined like terms here because there's 0.2b and 0.72b. This is 20 cents and 72 cents. If I combine those, I get 92b minus 1.8 equals 12. Okay, so I've distributed, combined like terms. We're down to a two-step. To eliminate a negative 1.8, I'm going to take the opposite, and I'm going to add 1.8. I end up with 13.8. And it turns out that if I divide 0.92 into 13.8, b equals 15. Okay, and again, that's half my answer. Okay, I figured out what the coordinate here would be, 15. A still needs, I still don't know what A is, so to find A, I'm going to take the value of 15 and plug it in to either here, here, or there. Okay, I'm going to pick this one because it's already set for A. If I plug in here, figured out. So here I go. It's A, again, so it's A equals 1.2b. A equals 1.2b minus 3. And if I plug in 15 in here, minus 3, I'm going to replace the b with what b is. B equals 15. So I have 1.2 times 15. Okay, and I end up with 18 minus 3. And 18 minus 3, well, that's just 15. So instead of A comma 15, now I can plug it in because I know what A is. A equals 15. So this is 15 comma 15. Again, if you guys have any questions, make sure you email me at cchsalgebra@gmail.com.